With tags in GitBook, you can add extra context to individual pages within your docs. Tags also add metadata to your page, which can be useful to help search engines and LLMs understand its content. To add a tag, move your cursor over the page title and choose Add Tags. In the page option menu that opens, click Add Tag. In the drop-down, you can select any of the existing tags in your space or type to add a new one. Once you've labelled your tag, you can also optionally add an icon and customize the colour. Tags also work with update blocks, so you can add tags to your changelog on a per update basis, as well as at a page level. If you add multiple tags to a single page, they'll all appear at the top in both the editor and in your published docs. If you prefer, you can instead choose to hide the tags on your page. This option will maintain the page's metadata, but the tags won't appear visually in your published docs. To manage and edit tags, open the library on any page in your space. In the tag section, you can view, delete, or edit your tags. Finally, you can also choose a single tag to appear in the table of contents. This is great when you want to highlight new features or label beta features that some users may not have access to.